Hello everyone, it's me Janette and I'm back with another project. So in last week's activity kit, we put popsicle stick catapult, and I'm going to show you guys today how to make that. Alright, so let's get started. So first, we want to make sure that we have all the right supplies. So you need 10 popsicle sticks, you need some rubber bands, you also need some firing power. On the paper it says marshmallows, pom-poms, or pencil top erasers, but I have some gummy bears and a bead. Alright, and you can use anything that's light that can fly through the air. And then also you need some scissors and a top. Alright, so let's get started. So what I already did, the first step is you're going to make little V marks on the side of the popsicle stick. You're going to do that to 2 of them. Alright, so I got my V marks in there. So what you'll do, you just use your scissors and you cut the little sides. If it's tough for you, just please ask your parent or someone, an adult, to help you with that. Okay, so we got that. And then next, you're going to take the rest of your popsicle sticks. You're going to put them together like this. And then you're going to go ahead and put rubber bands on the side of them. So we're going to go ahead and tie this side off. And then flip it over to the other side. Alright, so now that we got that, the next step says go ahead and push one of the V notch sticks under one of the popsicle sticks. So you're going to take your little stack, push this through. Alright, so we got that. And then what we're going to do, you're going to flip it over. So that's on the bottom. And you're going to go ahead and put this one right on top. Right, so take your other rubber band and tie the popsicle sticks together where the V notches are. Alright, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and tie the rubber band on. It's a little tricky, but we can do it. Alright, so we got it. So you're going to go ahead and push it all the way through. So the shorter side is where your rubber band is. And then the next step is you're going to go ahead and you're going to glue or tape your top to your popsicle stick. So what we're going to do, we're going to try some tape. You're going to tape it right here at the end. And then go ahead and put your top. Right, so you want to hold it on there a little bit to make sure it's on there. Alright, I think it's good to go. And then we're ready to launch. Alright, so I'm just going to do a bead this time. Let's put some beads in there. Sit in there. And then we're going to count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Awesome. So we made it fly. So I hope you guys have fun and make your catapults, and also if you're able to, go ahead and post your catapult on our social media. All right. Thank you.